In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify store URL with ease. Whether you're setting up your store or just need a quick reminder, this guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access the Shopify admin panel. Now, if you're new to Shopify or perhaps need a refresher, getting into your admin panel is straightforward. Simply log into your Shopify account with your credentials. A quicker way, if you're accustomed to it, is typing adminshopify.com directly into your browser. This shortcut will bring up a list of your stores if you manage multiple ones, and you can select the store you're focusing on. Once you're in the admin panel, the next step is to navigate your way to settings. You'll find this option prominently located toward the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Clicking on it will bring up several different options, and the one we're interested in is domains. This is where you will encounter your Shopify managed domain, which ends in .myshopify.com. This domain acts as your store's basic internet address, allowing customers to find you online. Now, there's another way you can find your store URL, which might be particularly useful if you're in a rush and already working on your store's appearance. Head over to the online store section within the Shopify admin panel. When you click on it, it will reveal a drop-down menu. Select themes from this list. Here, embedded within the themes page, look for the View Your Online Store button, often symbolized by an eye icon. Clicking this button is a handy shortcut as it will directly open your store's URL in a new tab of your browser. Understanding your Shopify URL is relatively straightforward. It typically appears in the format of your store name as myshopify.com. Importantly, you had the chance to customize the Your Store Name portion when setting up your store initially. Remember, even if you decide to attach a custom domain later on to give your store a unique flair, this .myshopify.com domain will still remain active and accessible. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to finding your Shopify store URL. With these easy steps, you should be able to locate your store's web address whenever you need it. Whether you're sharing it with potential customers, updating your contact information, or just double-checking, these methods ensure you're covered from every angle. Thanks for watching and happy selling!